It's about being fully prepared, that everything is in place, quality control has been checked, so that when it is your time up at bat, you're ready to go and we're going to push you. My name is Lauren Bauer and I'm a project manager for Skender. We are on the 8th floor of the 609 West Randolph office space that we just built for Vista Property Group. So I've been involved with this process and this project really from pre-construction. Actually, when I first started at Skender in 2019, it was one of the first conceptual designs that was put on my desk. So from the concept sketches all the way to we're here sitting in the finished space, I've been involved, and it's been an amazing adventure with just the trifecta of partners. We have Vista Property Group, we have Antunovich Associates, and then all of our trade partners, just really proactive team players. It has been an amazing project together. We put the concrete structure up on this project in the middle of spring, which was a great time to come out of the ground. And we were on those decks waiting for that 8 a.m. bucket of concrete, that first part of the pour. On the other side of the deck, you have the electricians and the plumbers finishing. You have your third-party testers checking everything, all of the post-tension. And you see that first bucket come up and the sun is out, and it's just, that's why we do this. It's an awesome feeling. You're part of something, there's a pulse, and it's a great way to start your morning with a deck pour.
One of the more interesting parts is this being a post-tension concrete slab. A lot of the coordination for the spec suites floors had to happen after everything was poured. So all the floor penetrations had to be laid out, x-rayed, and inspected by the structural engineer before we can do any of the coring at all. So there was a lot of coordination that had to happen in order for us to be able to do that.
We built this project in the middle of a pandemic. Not only was that just an uncertain time, but it also led to supply chain issues. And we were fortunate enough to have trade partners that thought ahead, that pushed with us, that pushed their suppliers, and had those relationships with those suppliers. We always had a plan B, a plan C, and we had the architect and the client on board with that. No surprises, open book, have the conversation, and let's be ready as a team. Vista Property Group has been fantastic to work with. They are involved with us. They want to be involved with us. They want to help. There is nothing that is, we're doing this alone, it is all together. It's not just the weekly OAC calls, it's being able to text and have check-in meetings to make sure that everyone feels comfortable with the process and the way things are moving. Your first impression right when you walk in, these different colors that just make sense with the space and welcome you in. I think the lobby is an amazing feature. Also the 15th floor amenity space, community cafe, boardroom, conference rooms, yoga studio, and then just an open concept that overlooks with northern views off of the terrace. It's beautiful.
The lobby, we've got custom wainscoting from Parenti, our millwork trade partner. We've got wood slat ceilings there. We've got custom sheet metal surrounds on the lobby as well. And even in the elevator lobbies on first floor, we've got custom steel surrounds on those as well. In this project, we were actually in charge of procuring the furniture for the spec suites floors and for the amenity floors in time for installation.
I would say that I am most proud of how our team overcame obstacles that were put in front of us. There was so much going on, and we really did our best to not skip a beat, and I don't think we did. We really adapted, we overcame, and I'm really proud of our team for how we handled that.